If you live in Powell, Ohio, and you are looking to downsize, or if you own a house in Powell, Ohio, and you're thinking about downsizing at some point in the near future, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we've been working with people in Powell, home sellers and homeowners and residents in and around Powell, Ohio. And we buy houses in their as-is condition, and we buy houses for cash. But really the main reason that people who are downsizing like working with us is we're going to give you a fair offer. We're going to be fair. We understand you've probably been living in the house there in Powell, or maybe you've owned the house for a long time. You're not desperate. You're not wanting to give the house away and, be treated unfairly. You're just looking for something fair, and so are we. So we already understand you're not desperate. This isn't a fire sale or anything like that. We're going to give you a fair cash offer on your house in Powell, and we're going to be very easy to work with because we're an as-is buyer. So that's good for you. You don't need to fix anything. You don't need to clean anything. You don't need to haul anything away. We're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. And since we're a cash buyer, we're a real cash buyer, you don't need to wait for us to get approved from some mortgage company. You don't need to wait for the bank to approve this. And we don't need to send through 100 different people and get a survey. And then we're going to, need the appraiser to approve this and the inspector and all these. Traditionally, that's a traditional buyer. And then a traditional buyer usually is represented by a realtor. So now you got to pay their commissions, and it could be very complicated. It could be very expensive. With us, there's no commissions and fees. We're going to buy your house, give you a fair cash offer in its as-is condition. We've worked with hundreds and hundreds of people in and around Powell, Ohio, and we'd love the opportunity to let you know your options and at least talk to you. So our phone number here is 614-300-5151, and our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. And when we get on the phone with you, it's a very simple conversation. We just need to know more about your house in Powell and then know more about the timeline that you're working with. That's very important. If our offer, when we make an offer to you, if our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward and we'll communicate very transparently and clearly to you throughout this entire process. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. There's no crime, no foul, no bad taste in your mouth. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. There's no pressure or gimmicks or tactics or games. It's just very straightforward. We're neighbors. We're going to treat you fairly when you are selling your house in Powell, when you are downsizing. So our number, once again, is 614-300-5151, and our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. If you prefer, fill out the form online and we'll get on the phone. And my name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.